feel wintry and Christmas coming. So excited. Those stockings that you can fill up with loads of lovely presents. This time though, really, there's not many presents these days that you can actually get at a really great price. But I've got something here that we sell out of every single year, and it's a gorgeous mini must-haves. So you've got everything somebody would want for their skin in this lovely Heaven bag, which by itself is the cost of that much it would be. So you've got all of these products. You've got a cleanser that will last a week. You've got a treatment toner. So you can use this under your eyes as an eye cream as well. A lot of young girls as well that want to really make their skin look nice. They're bothered by little dry eyes because they're dehydrated eyes. When they put the cleanser on, there's little fine lines. Well, this gets rid of it. It's great. It's peppermint cleanser. Stops all that oily shine as well. But it's also nice if you have one of these mini must-have bags and you give it to your mates if you've gone around for dinner or something. It's better than a bunch of flowers. It's a lovely present. This one's an exfoliator. It's a polish, and it polishes all the cells out, little fine lines on them, and also any bits of dirt stuck in the creases, it will dissolve that away. Really make the skin very, very smooth, but it's not harsh. You don't rush to sort of have a sort of rub it and make it really sore. It just melts the skin away, makes the skin really nice and tight and smooth. I love that one. Now, moisturiser wise, there's some great moisturisers in here. This one is a very one, it's a chameleon moisturiser. It's called Youthful, but it adapts to your skin. So if you've got dry skin, it makes it less dry, and it makes it more oily. If you've got oily skin, it makes it higher. It gets rid of the oil. And we've got some great little extra ones that are in here, which is the Formula of the Eyes. This is a lovely one. You pop it on, it's really smooth. And then, what have we got here? Little Baby Divine Cream. So they are gorgeous, and they're nice if you are going away at Christmas, or they're lovely sack presents, but they're just so nice. You can try all of our products here and see how beautiful they are. Happy Christmas.